In today's video, I'm going to show you how to do the eyes opening point of view effect inside of Adobe Premiere Pro. So let's get into it. So once you've launched your video editor and you've imported your footage, we need to go ahead and create a brand new black video. So we'll go into this new item box and we'll just create a brand new black video. And we'll make sure this is 1920 by 1080 and we'll press OK. Now from here we want to go up to the opacity and we want to select on the circle mask, and then we want to expand this mask out so that this touches all of the edges of the video. Now from here we'll go back into masks and we'll press the inverted box to invert that mask, and we can just add some feathering to this vignette. Now from here you want to go ahead and you want to create a brand new keyframe on the mask path. So you want to press the stopwatch icon on mask path, and then we want to pull the cursor head back in time, and you want to pull the top mask down to the center, and then you want to pull the bottom mask up to the center. Now if we play this back, you'll see that is a really rough and really fast version of the eye opening effect, but this is a little bit too fast and a little bit too ugly, so we're just going to pull that second keyframe out a little bit. We'll add a little bit more feathering to this effect. And there you go. It's really simple, it's really easy, and that is how you do the eye-opening effect in Adobe Premiere Pro. If you enjoyed watching this video, and if you have any requests at all, then please do let me know in the comment section below. And don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell icon, and I will see you tomorrow for another brand new video. See you there.